Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the channel of Anglais for students. I hope you are doing well and your families are well too. So today we're going to see different lessons where I'm going to start by giving some lessons about travel English, or you can call it business English. So English that you will need, for example, if you are traveling. So you will need English to talk at the airport, for example, in a restaurant, in a hotel, for example, if you want to book in a hotel. So these are the types of lessons I will record in the coming days, inshallah. So today we're going to see a lesson titled at the airport, okay? At the airport, في المطار. So here نتكلموا عن اللغة اللي تحتاجها في المطار. Okay, so travel English, conversations in the airport, okay? Are you ready to take a trip? We are going to start a series of lessons on practical English for use while traveling. Today we are going to go through the airport step by step, learning important vocabulary and useful phrases along the way. Okay, so the first conversation is at the check-in desk. Okay, the check-in desk. المكتب الأول اللي كتمشي له في المطار كتبي دير check-in. Okay. Agent, good morning. Where are you flying today? Good morning. Where are you flying today? يعني فين غادي تسافر اليوم؟ John, I'm traveling to USA. I'm traveling to USA. Agent, may I have your passport please? May I have your passport please? Okay, هل يمكنني أن أرى جواز سفر؟ John, sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. Agent, are you checking any bags? Are you checking any bags؟ هل لديك أي حقائب تسجلها for example؟ John, yes, I have a bag and a carry-on. Yes, I have a bag and a carry-on. carry-on الحقيبة الصغيرة التي يمكنك أن تحملها معك على متن الطائرة. Agent, okay, please place your bags on the scale. Okay, please place your bags on the scale. يعني ضع حقائبك على الميزان. Okay. Next, John, I have a stopover in Chicago. I have a stopover in Chicago. So stopover بمعنى توقف Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there? Do I need to pick up my luggage there? يعني واش ممكن نحتاج نشوف اللاجج ديالي الأمتعة ديالي في التوقف اللي غيكون في شيكاغو. Agent, no, it will go straight through to Los Angeles. No, it will go straight through to Los Angeles. So, here are your boarding passes. Here are your boarding passes, your tickets. Your flight leaves from gate 15A and it will begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E. I repeat. So here are your boarding passes, يعني التذاكر اللي يمكن لك تمر بها الطائرة. Your flight leaves from gate 15A. الطائرة التي ستركبها ستغادر من الباب ولا الممر 15A and it will begin boarding at 3:20. يعني عملية الإركاب ستبدأ في 23 دقيقة. Your seat number is 26E. يعني رقم مقعدك هو 26E. John, thanks. Agent, you are welcome. Okay, so after we have seen this conversation between John and the agents at the airport, now we're going to see some vocabulary and phrases. Where are you flying today? Where are you flying today? إلى أين تسافر اليوم وتطير اليوم؟ نقدر نستعملوا سؤال آخر. What's your final destination? What's your final destination? ما هي وجهتك؟ Okay. Here you go. Here you go. So ملي كنعطي شي شخص وثيقة like passport or something عندما تسلم وثيقة here you go بمعنى خذ. Okay. Carry on, as you see from the picture, the small bag that you take with you to the plane on the plane. Stop over or lay over. Stop over or lay over توقف عندما تكون for example في رحلة من المغرب إلى أمريكا يمكن يكون عندك التوقف في فرنسا. Okay, that's a stop over or lay over. boarding passes يعني tickets تذاكر الإركاب. Excuse me, where is the American Airlines check-in desk? Excuse me, where is the American Airlines check-in desk? هذه عبارات ممكن تحتاجها في المطار. Excuse me, where is the American Airlines? أين هو مكتب التسجيل الخاص بالأمريكان Airlines? How many bags can I check? How many bags can I check? So when you go, for example, to the check-in desk, they will ask you about the bags. يسألونك عن عدد الحقائب اللي معك. So how many bags can I check? How much is the fee? How much is the fee? يعني كم ثمن luggage مثلا، يعني الحقيبة شحال تخلص على الحقيبة اللي زايدة على الحقيبة القانونية مثلا. Please mark this bag as fragile. Please mark this bag as fragile يعني كتكون عندك شي حقيبة بها أغراض حساسة مثلا، يعملوا لها tag fragile يعني شيء حساس. Okay, now conversation number 2. Going through security. من بعد ما عملت check-in يعني تمر في ممر الأمان وممر الأمن. Okay, check-in security with you. So agent مسؤول عن المطار، مسؤول عن الأمن في المطار. Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belts. Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belts and use the bins for small objects. So سيطلبون منك يعني وضع الأغراض والحقائب ديالك على البيلت الحزام الذي يمر في الجهاز المراقبة and use bins for small objects. ويعطونك بعض بعض حقائب بلاستيكية صغيرة تضع فيها الأشياء الصغيرة مثل الهاتف والنقود واللابتوبس و small computer. Okay. John, do I need to take my laptop out of the bag? Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag? This is important because they always ask you to take out your bags, your computers, your cameras, your phones from your bag, and you put them in those small plastic boxes. Agent, yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes too. Yes, you do. You take off your hat and your shoes too. Sometimes they ask you to take your shoes and your hat or cap. Okay. He walks through the metal detector. So when you walk through the metal detector يعني الجهاز الذي يدقق في المعادن. Okay. So you will hear this voice beep beep beep, for example. Agent, please step back. Please step back. يعني عود إلى الخلف. Do you have anything in your pockets? Keys, cell phones, loose change. So please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets? هل لديك أشياء في الجيب مثلا like keys مفاتيح or phone or loose change or change صرف. John, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me try taking off my belt. Let me try taking off my belt, and then you take your belt in case they think that the metal in your belts which makes the beep sound. Agent, okay, come on through. Okay, come on through. So John goes through the metal detector again. So you pass through the detector again. Agent, you are all set. Have a nice flight. You are all set. Have a nice flight. Which means you are okay. You can go. Things are fine with you. Now here are some conversation vocabulary and phrases from this conversation. You can hear them at the airport, for example. ممكن تسمعوا بهذه الجملة. There has been a gate change. There has been a gate change. يعني هناك تغيير في الممر المؤدي إلى الطائرة التي تود أن تركبها مثلا. Okay. United Airlines flight 880 to Miami is now boarding. United Airlines flight 880 to Miami is now boarding. عندما تسمع هذه الرسالة يعني تنادي الإركاب على متن طائرة ما, for example. Okay. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready for boarding. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready for boarding. So عندما تكون في لحظة الإركاب يجب أن يكون التيكتس يعني التذاكر وجواز السفر معك في اليد قبل الدخول إلى الطائرة. Okay, here are some expressions you would hear. We would like to invite our first and business class passengers to board. We would like to invite our first and business class passengers to board. يعني أول الأشخاص الذين يتم إركابهم في الطائرة هم يعني البيزنس رجال الأعمال والفيرست كلاس باسنجرز والمسافرين بالدرجة الأولى. أوكي، هذا نداء دائما يوجه قبل الإركاب. We are now inviting passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding. We are now inviting passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding. من بعد النداء الأول كيكون النداء الثاني يطلب من الباسنجرز اللي عندهم أطفال صغار ولا الباسنجرز اللي عندهم احتياجات خاصة ولا كيحتاجوا مساعدة هما الأولين كيدوزو من بعد الفيرست كلاس والبيزنس كلاس للإركاب. And the third call النداء الثالث we would now like to invite all passengers to board. We would now like to invite all passengers to board. يعني كتكون مناداة على جميع الركاب الآخرين بالبدء في عملية إركاب الطائرة. Okay, now you are on board the plane. Okay, في الطائرة شنو الحديث اللي ممكن يكون؟ So on the plane flight attendant هم الناس اللي كيقدموا الطعام مثلا ولا الخدمة في الطائرة. So chicken or pasta. So you have to choose between chicken or pasta. For example, John, sorry, which means he didn't hear well. Flight attendant, would you like chicken or pasta? Would you like chicken or pasta? هل تحب مثلا دجاج أو باستا؟ John, I will have the chicken. يعني سأختار دجاج. Flight attendant, anything to drink. هل تريد شيئا تشربه مثلا؟ John, what kind of soda do you have? So when you hear soda, it's cola or coke, okay? All these names refer to soda. Flight attendant, Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, orange and water. John, a Diet Coke, no ice please. Diet Coke يعني بدون سكر. Coke بدون سكر. Flight attendant, here you go. John, thanks. Okay, and now here are some useful expressions that you need to know. If you want to ask for something, you can use these phrases, okay? So, can I have, okay? Can I have or could I have? Could I have is more polite. هل يمكن أن أحصل على مثلا. Let's see some examples. Can I have a pillow? هل يمكن أحصل على وسادة؟ Can I have a blanket? Blankets غطاء. Can I have a pair of headphones? Could I have some water? Coffee, tea. Could I have يمكن الحصول على بعض الماء water, coffee, قهوة أو شاي tea. Could I have some extra napkins? Okay, so these are good expressions you need to know when you are traveling, okay? Alright, so we come to the end of this first lesson of travel English. So English that you will need, for example, for traveling. And we started today with the airport. So you will need English at the check-in desk, okay, to check your bags. And you will need also English to know on the boarding step, okay, في عملية الإركاب. And you will need to know some phrases of English في الطائرة يعني داخل الطائرة, okay? Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with anyone who is interested in learning English. Bye. Thank you again. Bye.